Right now, I speak on behalf of every single chef in Jamaica who in the hotel industry. We sick and tired of Jamaicans that come a hotel pan day pass, especially one them who come with this mentality about them a get their money's worth. No one am down the whole place and on top of that, still want pack up food carry on the yard.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, first thing first, put a like, leave a comment, and make we get into this. Today I'm going to talk about Dwayne Williams, 41-year-old of Kingston 2 address. Alright, so here we're going with Dwayne now, guys. I want you to pay attention and listen to this because I have to repost back this video based on the comments them when I read over the Gleaner website. See? So it is understood that Dwayne Williams was fatally G0T by a political activist who reportedly intervened during Dwayne and him baby mother confrontations. So in other words, him and a woman in a one confrontation. And what Dwayne do now, let me just talk it out right with your phone. Dwayne allegedly, I could use allegedly, went for a ratchet and attempt to stab his baby mother, according to the report we may get from the Star source. So, let me read a part of the article now before we get to my part of reason. It is reported that about 6:35 p.m., Williams and his girlfriend had an argument which became physical. It is alleged that he pulled ratchet and attempt to stab his woman. Activist now, Siwagwan, back out him, GUN, and boss 3-piece, and the dog pick up 3 in him back. First thing first, on me hear the story, me I say, this man is a woman, BEATER, so he get just what he deserve. Zane, that's what me get from the story, and that's how me I go talk. That's what me say this morning. But when me go through the comments now, and start to some things like this now, it make me have to change my type of reasoning. Look at the screen now, guys. All you people over here talking know nothing. You don't know him. Stop speculate. He has no right to G0T him 3 times in his BACK. This is personal. YEKILLED, my nephew. Please, he is and wasn't a bad person. Just a FIGHC between him and his baby mother. I understand the part there. See? Well, when we can say to you, it come like Marlene, I'm auntie. Marlene, if the man take up a ratchet, for STAB a woman and him get SHOT, him have all right to get it if that is the situation. See? Because you don't know what would have happened. It could have also been behind the scene where nobody never depend spot for Siwagwan and in could have KILL she and then now it puzzle with itself. People that speculate, I wonder what is what. Then you hear a next woman KILLED by XYZ until further investigation. Zane, now this comment say, man KILLED by his baby mother, man. Stop tell lie. DUTT star. Talk say the man a FUCK the baby mother and that's why him SHOOT the boy. So, when you see that, guys, 2 sides to a story. Let me repeat it. 2 sides to a story. In a Jamaican terms, if you no go so, in near so. When you get what me I say? Jaja. So just like that, Dwayne lose him 3 pints. It could have been in confront her about that man. It could have been something of some jealousy. Thing a go on somewhere down your line. You understand? But people are writing a comment. So it come like people who know about the situation, know what take place. And, you know, RIP to the brother. Boy, one thing with me, and I promise this, I will not lose my LIFE over a woman. I can talk this on a blog. I rather walk away. Because sometimes, life set away, guys. Life set away. You understand? First, Dwayne, you're wrong. If you're going to use a ratchet for fight a woman, see? 2, the man gave him 3 in him back. 3, it is alleged that are the kit man, K1LLED, Dwayne. So all sort of drama go on there. So make we watch, make we listen, and make we see what go on. Zane, bad to bad, the police them say them are investigate it. Zane? So that are one good step going forward. But political activists, maybe the man they have strings attached to some big heads or something. So the Elliston Road police have launched an investigation into the FATAL of a man called Dwayne, doing a domestic, you know what. Make we leave it right there, so. This next video we may go play now, guys. I want to listen to this chef from a popular hotel, and this is how he described Jamaican people when them come do one day pass or one day. Zane, make we drive, make we listen, put in a 2 cent pan it, make me know if him rank and out order or him have a valid point. Make we drive through the weather and hear what I say.
Right now, I speak on behalf of every single chef in Jamaica within the hotel industry. We sick and tired of Jamaicans that come a hotel pan day pass, especially one them come with this mentality about them a get them money's worth. No one am down the whole place, and on top of that, you still want to pack up food carry on the yard. If you think about it, the bar alone don't no money, because you don't spend $12,000 for the day pass, Like, brother, when someone who come with brand new file wrap, you do what? And who now walk with that brand new file wrap to pack up things, especially jerk chicken and jerk pork carry them yard. You see someone who walk with some big old basin like them, 3-4 of them. No stop all of that, man. Me too disgusting, man. The bar alone, I don't know the money. Me serve 8 chicken to 4 guests. 8 chicken, and I like them yummy, Them file up that and put in them bag for carry them yard, This lady I go tell me say today a Sunday, so she nah cook. She want 2 chicken for carry yard. Not too disgusting, man.
So you see, look what this young man I worry about. Him I worry about people taking food. Yes, let me give my 2 cents on this. The people not get the opportunity to come at a hotel. So yes, them are going to be greedy and eat up everything and go on with it. Why were there when the girl did get? See, when the tourists then did come, Anna, try fight off a girl. Why none of you, chef, never come out and take a stand for the woman and talk and say, somehow guess only need for rate blah, but you see it? If you want to look at time when the Jamaican people do and look at something like food, it's when you come out on social media and talk. It's what I'm telling you about them people, guys. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watch. I'm going to man, because I want to say what I want to say. I'm out.